We have just been notified that there is gonna be a huge snowstorm outside in the middle of summer, and this is extremely weird. But everybody gets bundled up, go get bundled up because it's going to be cold. Aw, I really wanted to go outside and play. You're not a baby. You don't have to go outside and play. You can go to mom's shop like normal girls. Oh, it's cold. I better go inside mom and dad's house. Hey mom, hey dad. Hi sweetie. Hey, where's sis? Oh, Kayla? She's in her room. Hey Kayla. Oh, hi Brian. Isn't mom acting a little strange?